National Treasures, pick your team, 34. Good luck, guys. Mustang, thank you for the kill. Something crazy right here. See a sick emerald. I'm calling it emerald. As much as I want to call a 1 of 1, I'm calling it emerald. Little heft, a little heft. What's up, Craig? Ooh. How's that? Can I call it any better? Jerry B? Can I call it any better? I asked for an emerald, literally, and we're starting on an emerald. Of my boy for the Athletics. And I'll be at the Red Hawk Casino sometime this weekend. It's my boy Jacob Wilson. 4 of 8 on the Jake Wilson. We have a Ruby of Mitchell for the Royals. Blake Mitchell to 75. Dual patches for the Bo Sox. It's Zanatello to 99. Mustang. Our first quad to 25, it's Hackenberg for Hotlanta. Mustang on the quads. Nice patches on that one, though, for sure. Here's a nice one. Tripped Dove with the Churio triple patch to 99. Rookie of Jackson Churio. Here's a cool one. He's just in every single product. I appreciate hitting it, but at the same time, it's like, you see him a lot. It's Smotes on a gold to 10, 6 of 10 for Hotline on the Material Treasures. Bottom right corner looks like it's lifting just a little bit. Going from the left. Gotta go on the right corner, sorry. I've also been hitting this cat a lot too. To 25, 3-color jumbo, it is Juan Bin Cho. To 25, 3-color RPA. Sorry, not RPA, patch auto, you know what I meant. Of Juan Bin Cho for the Redbirds. Mustang. Redbirds was on the kill. There's another nice one, too. Who had this one? Rev. Let's go, Rev. Little stuck there. Reggie Crawford to 99. Wow, this is actually a first. I've never hit him, too. 79 of 99. Nice Reggie. Nice patch, too. That patch is bulging. That patch is bulging. There's a real nice one. I just haven't hit him. Wow. Oh, my God. What a box. Drew Jones, 3-color patch auto for Arizona. First Drew Jones I've hit out of this product. Wow. What a box. What a box. Also a first coming up for me. Also a first. This might be one of the best boxes I've had, honestly. For Sunshine. There's James Woods to 10 on a Colossal patch autograph, 3 colors. That's pretty dope. That is freaking dope. What a box. Nice James Wood, too. That was a sick box. That was a super sick box. Nice Wilson /8 for Jerry B. James Wood. Look, Drew Jones. I didn't even know he was in the product. Reggie Crawford and Juan Bin Cho. That was the break on 34. I will add in 35 and 36, guys.